Hello everyone, this is Naushad sir. Now, today we are going to discuss the geometric construction topic number 4, in which we have to see that how to draw the required triangles, because this total topic is related to construct the triangles. Now we'll see practice set 4.1. Question number 1 is given. Construct triangle PQR in which QR is 4.2 centimeter, angle Q is 40 degree, and PQ plus PR is equal to 8.5 centimeter. Now dear students, first of all we'll draw the QR, which is given the distance, that is QR 4.2 centimeter. This is 4.2 centimeter, and we'll give the name Q, and this will be the R. So I will write the names with the help of sketch pen, Q and R, and I will write the distance also 4.2 centimeter. Now on point Q there is the angle given, that is 40 degree. So we'll put protractor here and we'll measure 40 degree here, and we'll similarly join this point with the bigger line with Q, and also we'll write it is 40 degree angle. Now we have to make 8.5 centimeter arc on PQ plus PR. PQ plus PR. So we'll take the distance 8.5 and we'll draw the arc from point Q like this arc, which we are getting the point, the new point we'll get, so we'll give the name as this S. So we'll join this S, point S, and this R like this, point S and this R like this, and now we have to write the distance of SQ is also 8.5 centimeter. 8.5 centimeter, and we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of SR. So for drawing the perpendicular bisector we have to take more than half value. This will be the half, and we'll take the more than half value. We'll draw one arc here and one arc outside. Keep the distance as it is, and from the point S will intersect this. If they are not intersecting, then draw the arc once again with that distance only, like this. Now we are getting these 2 points. We'll join these 2 points like this, which will be the perpendicular bisector, and we'll get the distance here, and we'll write the name P for that, because PQR we have to draw, and we'll join this PR here. So similarly, according to the question, we'll get the triangle PQR here. So first of all we have drawn QR. We have taken the angle 40 degree, we have taken this distance and make the arc 8.5 centimeter. Join this SR point here and take more than half values and draw perpendicular bisector of SR, on which point this perpendicular bisector is intersecting SQ. Give the name P and join PR. So similarly we will get triangle PQR. So this is the first example. Now in second example, construct XYZ, in which YZ is 6 centimeter, XY plus XZ is 9 centimeter. Angle XYZ means angle Y is what? 50 degree. So similarly we have to draw the YZ first. YZ is of 6 centimeter. We have to draw like this. We have to give the name, that is YZ. I will write with the sketch pen to understand. YZ, the given distance is what? 6 centimeter. Now similarly we'll draw the angle on Y, that is of 50 degree. We'll mark like this and we'll join this. So this point, this angle will be the 50 degree. Now similarly we have to draw an arc of 9 centimeter, which is given xy plus xz. So we have to take the distance 9 centimeter in the protector and we have to draw one arc from y point. So this will be the arc and this will be the point which we have taken. Now we'll give the name, that is M, for example. Now we have to prepare the triangle X, Y, Z. So somewhere here we have to take the point X. Now we'll join like this, M and Z. Then we'll draw perpendicular bisector of MZ. Similar question is there. So this is the half. We'll take more than half and we'll draw arc to the both side. We'll try to intersect these two arcs. If they are not intersecting, we have to draw arc and we have to make arc slightly bigger and we have to draw line like this. So this will be the perpendicular bisector of this MN, and wherever it is intersecting, give the name, that is X, and we have to join this X here to the Z. So with the help of sketch pen I have drawn the line to understand. We have prepared X, Y, Z. Like this we have to solve the example. Another two examples are given. All same examples are there. Hope so you have understand, and try to draw another third and fourth question and try to solve it and send me on the group. If you are understanding properly, we'll see the next exercise in next video. So this type of construction work will ask in the exam and everyone have to try to draw like this.